Qatar 5 to X-ray, contact Doha 121.1. Doha 1211, good day Qatar 5 to X-ray.
Halt, flights through blue, lock blue cat radio, outbound 1+2, speed also.
Was it heading 230, Qatar 3256?
Qatar 3256, affirm, heading 230.
Heading 230, Qatar 3256.
Halt.
That's one, check.
Qatar 3256, turn right, heading 230.
Right 230, Qatar 3256.
Malaysian 165, contact Doha 120.675. 120.675, Malaysian 165. Qatar 3256, descend 3,000 feet unrestricted.
Send unrestricted altitude 3,000 feet, Qatar 3256.
Lock stop.
Checked.
Arabia 135, establish localized runway 34 left.
Arabia 135, thank you, standard speed, tower 118.025, bye bye.
118.025, Arabia 135, bye bye.
Passing 777, line up, runway 34 left, via Lima, Qatari 60 Golf.
Qatari 773, 34 left, clear for takeoff, wind 290, 3 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 34 left, Qatari 773.
Flaps two.
Speed check. Flaps two.
Tower, good morning, Arabia 135, establish ILS approach channel 34 left.
Arabia 135, Hamad Tower, good morning. Continue approach 34 left, vacate at Lima 6, speed 160 knots until 4 DME.
160.34, 34 left, continue approach, expecting Lima 6, Arabia 135.
Tower, good morning, 31150.
Yeah, you need more time? Coming secure?
Yes.
Thank you.
1150 Tower, good morning. Continuous cleared.
Continuous clear, Qatar 1150.
Flights through block, going on to 3,000 set, speed
Negative, so your clearance is Juliet,
Check.
short of whiskey.
Continue approach.
Okay, continue on Juliet Hotel of Whiskey, Qatar 1150.
gear down.
Check.
Qatari 33 Uniform Tower, taxi holding point Lima, report ready.
Taxi holding point Lima, calling ready, Qatar 33 uniform.
Qatari 62 Golf, wind 290 degrees, 3 knots, runway 34 left, clear for takeoff.
34 left, clear for takeoff, Qatari 60 Golf.
Qatari 773, contact approach, 1190.725, good day.
Lap 3.
119.725, Qatari 773,
Landing
bye-bye.
checklist.
Landing checklist. ICA memo.
Landing no blue.
Cabin.
Qatari
Ready.
1150, QNH is 1008, taxi holding point Lima 1.
Standing by for the clearance.
Taxi holding point Lima 1,
Speed
QNH 1008. Qatar 1150. Tower Qatar 33 uniform, ready for departure.
Qatari 33 Uniform, roger. 1150, re-cleared, taxi holding point Lima. Qatari 1150, taxi holding point Lima.
Taxi holding point Lima, Qatar 1150.
Checked.
Check.
Arabia 135, wind 300 degrees, 3 knots, runway 34 left, cleared to land.
Runway 34 left, clear to land, Arabia 135.
Qatari 33 Uniform
Check.
behind,
Yeah,
the
to
landing 320, 2 mile final, line up 34 left behind.
Beyond landing
Hot
traffic
spike on
320, line up runway 34 left behind. Qatar 33 uniform.
Cat 3 single.
Check.
Cat 1.
Check.
Tower, Qatar 39 Yankee Heavy, very good morning, taxiway Kilo.
Qatari 39 Yankee Tower, roger. Qatari 62 Golf, contact approach 119725, good morning.
Approach 19725, Qatar 60 Golf, morning.
400,
Checked.
Checked.
Land.
100 above.
Check.
minimum.
Continue.
Checked.
Fifty, 40, 30, 20. Retard. Retard. 5.
Spoilers. Previous green diesel.
Manual braking.
Auto brake off.
Check.
Vacating Lima 6.
Yeah, this one to the right, 70 knots.
Checked.
It's good.
Arabia 135, taxi right on Kilo, hold short Romeo.
To the right on Kilo, then hold short Romeo, Arabia 135.
Kilo, hold short Romeo. Lima 6 to the right.
Check right.
Qatari 33 uniform,
Yeah,
wind
left
310
side.
degrees 3 knots, runway 34 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear takeoff runway 34 left, Qatari 33 uniform.
Qatari 1150, behind departing 350, line up 34 left behind.
Behind departing 350, line up runway 34 left behind, Qatari 1150.
Arabia 135, contact ground 118.650, good day.
118.650, Arabia 135, bye-bye.
Qatari 39 Yankee Tower, are you ready?
Ready on sequence.
Sorry, I stepped on someone there, who's ready?
Qatari 13.
Base west, pull forward to the intermediate hold line, the QNH 008.
Face west, push and start roof and a beam intermediate
Holding
hold line.
short of Romeo.
Short of Romeo, yeah.
Qatari 422.
Brown, good morning, Arabia 135, taxi on Kilo.
Arabia 135, ground morning, hold short, taxiway Lima 2.
Continue straight, hold short of Lima 2, Arabia 135.
Qatari 27 Lima, taxi Romeo, hold short of
Check.
Tango 3.
After landing, checklist.
Taxi Romeo,
Yeah,
hold
all
short.
the
Tango
way
three,
Lima 2 is
Qatari 7
before
Lima.
the terminal, okay?
Checked. Captain.
After landing checklist.
Qatari 59 Bravo, ready for departure.
Radar
Full
ability
deck.
windshield.
Off.
Qatari 59
Landing
Bravo, roger,
checklist.
pass on.
Checked.
We're on Kilo. This is Romeo, Sierra, yeah, all the straight.
Yeah. This is Lima 3, next is Lima 2.
Qatari 59 Bravo, contact Tower West, 118.025, away. Qatari 59 Bravo, contact Tower West, 118.025, away.
118.025, Qatari 59 Bravo, good day.
Arabia 135, taxi Golf, Whiskey 1, Hotel, stand Alpha 11.
Whiskey 1, Hotel, Golf Whiskey 1, Hotel, stand Alpha 11, Arabia 135.
Qatari 70 Charlie, taxi.
So Lima
Qatari 70 Charlie,
Golf.
taxi right and Juliet,
Golf,
hold short of
Whiskey
Sierra.
1, Hotel.
Mike and Julia, short of Sierra, Qatari 70 Charlie.
Hamad ground central, ops 22+1, towing request.
Up to 2 ground pressure message.
Sir, Dreamliner from Hotel 7 to 217 only, sir. Ops 22+1.
Roger, just full position, I will go back shortly.
Hold position, ops 22+1.
Golf is second left.
Check.
Opposite 2 Hotel 7, the push is approved, base north on Juliet.
Turning left on Golf.
Pushback is approved, base north on Juliet, ops 22+1.
Sorry, 27 Lima, contact ground east, 120.225.
Clear left side.
120225, Qatari 27 Lima.
Sorry, 70 Charlie, taxi Juliet, Romeo, hold short of Tango 3.
Second right
Juliet
on
Romeo,
Hotel.
short of Tango 3,
Check.
Qatari 70 Charlie.
Qatari 54 Yankee, request taxi.
35 for Yankee, make a 180 by the western link,
Right
and then
side
taxi
clear,
Whiskey
turning right.
2, hold short
Check
Juliet.
the left side.
Okay, take a 180 taxi Whiskey 2 and to hold short of Juliet. Qatari 180 Yankee, 54 Yankee.
Alpha 11 to the left.
Check.
Pop 22, just confirm the stand.
Sir, 217, sir.
Turning left, lights off.
Check. Your left side.
And we're ready for tower.
Roger, hold position, it's blocked at the moment, so I'll call you back.
Copy, sir. Hold position, ops 22+1.
A bit slow, yeah.
Sorry, 4 Bravo, request taxi.
Sorry, 4 Bravo, Roger, taxi Whiskey 4, hold short Juliet.
With call to hold short of Juliet, Qatari 4 Bravo.
Good.
Sorry, 70 Charlie, contact ground east, 120.225, bye-bye.
Parking brake set.
20225, Qatar 70 Charlie. Bye-bye.
Pop 22, Whiskey
Little.
3, hold the
Yes.
beam, Hotel 5.
Whiskey 3, hold the beam, Hotel 5, ops 22+1.
Qatari 5 for Yankee taxi, left on Juliet, hold short of Whiskey.
Left on Juliet and to hold short of Whiskey, Qatar 5 for Yankee.
Split system 1, yeah. This one is.
Parking checklist.
Parking checklist, parking brake or shocks.
Parking brake is set.
Engines,
Off.
fuel pumps.
Off.
Yellow electrical pump.
Off.
Sorry, 5 for
Package
Yankee taxi,
complete.
re-cleared left
Thank you so
on
much.
Kilo,
Thank you.
hold short, thanks, Lima 1.
Left on Kilo and hold short of Lima 1, Qatar 5 for Yankee.
Thank you.